Hey all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you guys are stopping here for the first time, hello, this is Daljit and on this channel we talk everything about makeup and skincare. So if that is your area of interest too, please consider subscribing to this channel and be part of this YouTube family. This video, remember a few days back I was telling you about a vitamin C serum that works great and doesn't cost you a lot. So today I'm going to share that particular serum with you. It's Recast Vitamin C Serum and it has vitamin C of 20% efficiency. So if you want to know that how this particular serum has worked for me, please stay with me till the end of this video. Start with the packaging first. Packaging is very important aspect when we talk about vitamin C serum because vitamin C serums are prone to oxidization. They are not really stable. It is highly important to store them either in the opaque bottles or in the tinted glass bottles. So the Recast one is packed in the tinted glass bottle. It's the dark tinted glass bottle and you can see how much product is left inside. I actually prefer tinted bottles over the opaque ones because in the opaque ones you cannot see how much product is left inside. So I have this one opaque bottle. It's not from the Recast, it's some other product or brand, but you can actually not see how much product is there inside, so I prefer the tinted bottles more. Let's talk about the texture of this serum. So it has this white cloudy texture. As you can see, it's really thin and gets absorbed in the skin instantly. It does not leave any oily or sticky cast whatsoever, and if you want you can also apply makeup on top of it and your makeup application will not be messed by this. So if you can see, it's completely absorbed and it has that beautiful glow that doesn't look oily or sticky. So that is really a good thing about this serum. Next, let's talk about the ingredients in the serum. So the first ingredient that I see over here is obviously vitamin C. So it has ethyl ascorbic acid of 20% strength. Ethyl ascorbic acid is actually the stable form of vitamin C. It also has glycerine and aloe vera extract. It also has niacinamide. So all this is going to make it a really good formulation for the skincare serum. It also has hyaluronic acid, although the percentage of the hyaluronic acid is not mentioned over here. But whenever I use it, my skin feels, glowy, plump, and as if, I have drunk a lot of water. So I'm sure that, it has quite good strength of hyaluronic acid as well in it. Now let's talk about my experience with this serum. So I have been using Recast Vitamin C Serum since last 2 months now, and my skin has definitely seen some good results, okay? So I was having acne breakout and after that I was left with some of the acne scars, and this serum has worked great on them. I'm not saying that my scars would disappeared in a day or in a month, but I have definitely seen them getting lighter day by day. My skin tone has improved a lot. I could see that tiny miny pigmentation whatsoever I was having on my face is getting cleared. I'm able to see my skin is having more even skin tone. Another thing is that I haven't seen this one working on wrinkles as such, but I would say that if you are really targeting for the wrinkles, retinols will be better product for that. But with the usage of this product, I have definitely seen my skin becoming more plump, glowy, and I'm able to see the healthier version of my skin with this one. I have oily skin, I have acne prone skin, and this product has not break me out. It has not caused any further acne on my skin, and that is really a boon for the oily skin people. Saying that, my sister has also been using this serum and she also feels that her skin looks healthy, although she has dry skin, but she is also loving this one. So I could say that this works for all skin types. Yes, vitamin C at the 20% efficiency is quite strong. So if you are new, I would say that start using twice or thrice a week, and once your skin gets adjusted to 20% strength, you can start using it daily as well. The serum also says that you can use it twice a day, but even if you have been using vitamin C serum since ages, I would not advise using it twice a day. It can really harm your skin barrier. It can break your skin barrier, and then repairing the skin barrier is really a huge task. So stick with once a day and vitamin C will show its results. Okay, so till now I was talking everything positive about this serum, right? But I do have few of the issues as well with this serum that I want to talk with you about. So the first issue is the presence of glutathione. Now I know that many skincare companies are using glutathione as the antioxidant in their products, but we cannot ignore the fact that in India or in many other Asian countries as well, glutathione is being used as skin brightening, or I would rather say skin whitening ingredients, and I do not want to promote skin whitening. So I generally want to avoid products with the glutathione for that particular reason. Next is the presence of fragrance. So although the fragrance is mentioned really low on the list, as I can see over here, but if you have hypersensitive skin, or if you have allergies from fragrances, I would say that stay away from this serum, because vitamin C serum in itself could be really irritating to the skin, and with that, if you are having allergies from fragrances, it could be really bad for the skin. So take your call. Alrighty people, so that is my experience with the Recast Vitamin C serum. So priced at nearly 500 INR for what, 30 ml. I think this has fairly impressed me. I have also used many high-end serums, so they have also given me similar results. Now I won't say that this one is replica of my favorite vitamin C serum, which is the Dear Klairs one. But not everyone is able to afford that serum, or not everyone is willing to spend 1400 or 1500 INR on a face serum. So if you are looking for a serum that works great and also fits your budget, I would say that go for the Recast one. It will surely impress you. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also comment down in the comment section below and let me know which is your favorite vitamin C serum. And I'm going to meet you next time. Bye bye.